What are you doing? In this video, we want to answer this question with action verbs. There are 3 levels in this video. Level 1, easy. Level 2, medium. And level 3, hard. Make sure to watch till the end. I'm watching TV. I'm walking. I'm running. I'm playing. I'm diving. I'm dancing. I'm swimming. I'm cooking. I'm painting. I'm fishing. I'm sewing. I'm sleeping. I'm shaving. I'm sweeping. I'm crawling. I'm crying. I'm blinking. Level 2, medium. I'm washing the dishes. I'm putting on clothes. I'm watering plants. I'm brushing my hair. I'm drinking water. I'm scrubbing the floor. I'm hugging my best friend. I'm knocking on the door. I'm brushing my teeth every day. I'm lifting heavy weights. I'm carrying a box. I'm punching him. I'm listening to classical music. I'm climbing the ladder. I'm doing my homework. I'm driving my dad's car. I'm calling my father. I'm eating a tasty lunch. I'm planting a tree. I'm kicking the ball. I'm flying a colorful kite. I'm making a snowman. I'm picking a flower. Level 3, hard. I'm parking my favorite car in the garage. I'm chasing my neighbor's dog. I'm turning off my bedroom's light. I'm serving my guests some wine. I'm taking amazing photos from sunset. I'm carefully cutting up the onion. I'm fixing his broken car. I'm hanging up the mirror on the wall. I'm looking for my keys in my bag. I'm throwing the ball into the basket. I'm braiding my hair for the party. I'm always making my bed in the morning. What are you doing? Comment below. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.